So this is how to stain a cheek cell. You're first going to need to collect your materials. You're going to need a toothpick, a paper towel or a tissue. Right here you can see that I have this little piece of tissue, which is what I'll use to clean the slide and the slide cover. You're going to need distilled water with the dropper, methylene blue, and the microscope itself. You will need to prepare the microscope by taking off the cover and plugging it in, and then you'll turn on the little light with this switch right here, and you'll see it blink on. You're going to need to prep the slide by cleaning it with that little tissue that we saw earlier. And you'll also need to clean the slide cover and make sure that there's no dust on it. You're going to have to swab the inside of your mouth, as you can see me doing right here. And once those cells are collected, you're going to set it on a paper towel and then you will use it. To create the slide, you're going to take your drop of distilled water and place it in the center of the clean slide. You'll take the end of the toothpick with the cells on it and you'll swirl it around within the water, and then you can throw it away after that because you don't need it. To dye it, you're going to take a drop of the methylene blue and put it on top of the cell and water mixture and let it sit for a minute so it's time to dye all the cells. After that, you're going to place that slide cover on at just a slight angle. As you can see right here, it's at a slight angle so that it doesn't splash when you set it down. So you're going to need to clean it up because it's going to be very opaque and you won't be able to see anything if it's too dark. So you're going to take the tissue and you're going to blot around the sides like you can see here, and it's going to soak it up. And once you do that, it should be clear and almost see-through like you can see right here. Right here it's almost see-through completely, and right here it's a very light blue so you can see the cells. To view it, you're going to move these little stage clips and then you'll move them back once you have your slide in their correct place. And to adjust, you're going to use the coarse adjustment knobs, which are the bigger ones, but you can't see it in this picture. But you'll use those first for the medium and the low power, and then you're going to use the fine adjustments to focus in on the cells that you can see.